Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to download a photo as PNG from Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to download a photo as PNG from Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. Now in order to proceed to download photos as PNG, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, just beside the plus sign, and you land over here on the my file section of your Picsart. Now over here guys, you can see there is the photos option available for us. If you tap on that, all of the photos available on your phone will be over here. Now to download a particular photo as a PNG from Picsart, simply tap and hold on the photo which you want to download, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the download button available for us over here. Tap on the download button and it will be downloaded. But when this panel appears guys, you can see the save as PNG button available for us, but you need the plus or the Picsart premium in order to save that file as a PNG. So get that, and after that tap on PNG and save as PNG, and then that photo will be saved or downloaded from Picsart as a PNG. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.